In this video, we will learn how to draw a complicated shape in a isometric. So we will learn today how to draw a hexagon in isometric. Now, suppose we have to draw a hexagon with some given dimension. So whenever we will solving the isometric view, very first we have to draw the hexagon separately and then we will convert it to the isometric form. So hexagon, we will draw the given hexagon. You know how to draw a hexagon. We have learnt it in a class how to draw a hexagon. So we will draw the hexagon by the circle method. That suppose we have a circle and we have to draw a hexagon having 30 mm length. Okay, so we will draw a circle first having its radius 30 mm. Okay, now we have to start with this corner of the hexagon. 30 mm length we have already in the rounder because radius of circle is 30 mm. So with 30 mm distance in the rounder, keep the point of rounder here. Mark on both sides of the circle with the distance of 30 mm. Now with the second corner, keep the rounder here and mark with the distance of 30 mm on both the sides. We will get a hexagon. So in exam, we will draw the hexagon actually with whatever dimension is given. Now if the hexagon is like this, if the corner is here, then you start marking from this corner of circle. Keep the rounder here and mark on both the side. You can understand it. Now we have this hexagon. How to draw this hexagon? Suppose today we will learn how to draw the top view of this hexagon. You practice it for front view and side view later. So how to start with? Very first we will enclose this hexagon, this geometry in a rectangle. So two lines from the sides of rectangle and two lines passing through the corner of a rectangle. This is the procedure to draw the isometric of a hexagon. So name of hexagon, let us say A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have enclosed it in a rectangle because it is very easy to draw the. Now these three lines of isometric view are known as isometric line. 1, 2 and 3. These three are isometric line, right? And rectangle can be easily drawn in these three isometric line, but hexagon is having inclined line which are known as non-isometric lines. So a geometry which is having non-isometric line, whenever we have to draw it in isometric, we will enclose it in a standard rectangle. We know how to start with the rectangle, that you cover these two lines and draw line passing through the corner of rectangle, right? Now it's very easy. Now O, let us say O is here. Position of O is always given in problem, you check it. Now we will name this rectangle O. Let us say 1, 2 and 3. Just for your understanding purpose. Once the imagination will be developed, no need to give the names. Okay. Now we will start the construction of a hexagon in a isometric. Please check. So very first we will draw the horizontal line and we have to draw the top view of this hexagon. So if we have to go for the top view, no need to draw the vertical line. Just faint line I will make. Just very thin line you also make. And then we will draw two horizontal lines with angle of 30 degree. Very important to mention angle 30 degree here. Now after this, please check. Now use your rounder to complete this construction. In the rounder, take the distance O to 1 in your rounder. Now no need to have a measurement of this line. Just use rounder O to 1 distance, keep the rounder here and mark 1. Distance O to 1 we have marked here. Okay, this is point 1. Now next is O to 3. O to 3. If this is the length, this will be the breadth. Okay, so on the breadth line we can mark O to 3 distance, have the distance of O to 3 in the rounder and mark here. So this will be 0.3. In this way we have located 3. Now we know how to draw a rectangle. 1 to O line is parallel to 2 to 3 lines. So 2 to 3 line also we will try to draw here. Okay, have 2 to 3 distance in the rounder and mark the arc, and you complete the rectangle 1 2 3 and O. Now it is very easy. Using rounder again, you have distance O to D in the rounder. Distance O to D in the rounder. Keep the rounder on O and mark the point D. Similarly, 1 to C distance you take in a rounder and you mark point C. Similarly, O to E distance you take in a rounder, mark E. Similarly, mark 3 to F distance, take in a rounder, 3 to F, then 2 to A, then 2 to B, and finally you join it. So the entire construction which I done using pencil should be done with thin lines, and the thing which I marked with pen should be dark. So your hexagon, this is the top view of a hexagon. Students, please try to draw a hexagon for the front view also. Okay, thank you.